And today I'm going to show you how to make a little bit of holly. So for this design you're only going to need 2 balloons, a 260 lime green and a little bit of 260 red, just a little piece of scrap. So take your lime green 260 with a good long tail of perhaps about 6 or 7 fingers, and we are going to make a 4-finger bubble. So twist off a bubble, then twist off another bubble of a couple of fingers and make a pinch twist. And then you're going to want to make another bubble and pinch twist of the same size. So that's what we've got. And then we're going to make another bubble that matches this one. There we go, and just fold the tail through there. That's what we've got. And then we want to make a bubble of 4 fingers. And we want to make a bubble of a couple of fingers and turn that into a pinch twist. And another bubble of a couple of fingers. I'll make another pinch twist. That's what we've got. And then we want to make another 4-finger bubble. And then we want to make another 4-finger bubble, followed by 2 2-finger pinch twists. And then another 4-finger bubble to match this one. So that's what you've got. And then you can break the rest off and tie. Take your little bit of red 260 and just pull that through into the centre and wrap it in. And then I just rearrange those pinch twists so they're in line with one another. The reason I do a double pinch twist here is because I have found if you use a single one, they have a tendency to come undone with this particular design, so I always opt for the double pinch twist.